Oh, YouTube just dropped a major hint that it's going to start charging for content. And more interestingly, I went online and tried to look for, a notification or a notice or an update from Google that references this, and I can't find it. So if you knew this was coming or you knew more about it than I do, then please let me know because I'm super interested. I can't replicate this myself, which is really frustrating, but my friend sent me this screenshot of her feed, and you can see that videos have this free tag under them. And I don't think there's a better indication that now YouTube plans on making some content premium, which is something they attempted in the past, I think with YouTube Red, I don't remember. But this is really, it's an interesting approach. And what's more funny is I went and actually sought out that specific video. So you can see, be consciously transactional, why every relationship is transactional. The video's here, but I'm not seeing that particular tag in the feed. So it seems to be, it's funny too, because she's on YouTube Premium, I'm on YouTube Premium. Oh, you know what? I'm in the wrong account. Hold on, let's see what happens when I switch to my premium account. Nothing different. All right, so it doesn't matter if you're in a premium account or not. At least that's not the line of demarcation. So I don't know what's going on, but this is going to be really interesting to see premium content inside of YouTube and the way they choose to monetize it. If they're monetizing it on an individual per video level, membership level, I guess that could be it too, because I know inside of YouTube memberships we can make certain videos member-only videos. So kind of exciting from a YouTube perspective. It'll be interesting to see what it does to the YouTube ad network, though. I think it's going to limit the inventory from an ad perspective, because why would you advertise on, or why would you allow ads on premium content? That's kind of the point of paying for the content. So anyway, if you know something I don't, hit me in the comments. I'm really interested. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.